How do I add a new device to Find My iPhone?
Welcome to this tutorial where we will learn how to add a new device to Find My iPhone. This feature is really helpful in keeping track of your devices and can also assist you in case you lose any of them. So let's jump right into the process.
Ensure your Apple ID is set up on your device.
Before anything else, it's vital to confirm that your Apple ID is configured on the device you want to add. 1. Open the Settings app on your new device. 2. Tap Sign into your device. 3. Enter your Apple ID and password, then tap Sign in. If your Apple ID is already signed in, you'll see your account name and picture at the top of the Settings menu.
Activate Find My iPhone on your device.
After signing in with your Apple ID, it's time to activate Find My iPhone. 1. Stay in the Settings app and tap on your account name at the top. 2. Go to Find My. 3. Make sure the Find My device switch is turned on, green.
Verify the new device on Find My app.
Now, let's verify if your device is added successfully. 1. From another device or computer, open Find My app or navigate to iCloud website and sign in with the same Apple ID. 2. Click on Devices. 3. You should see your new device listed here. Congratulations! Your new device is now added to Find My iPhone. And that wraps up our tutorial on how to add a new device to Find My iPhone. Remember, the key steps are ensuring your Apple ID is set up, activating Find My iPhone on the device, and verifying the new device on Find My app. Stay connected, stay safe, and we'll see you in our next tutorial.